So today the Ace Bandits are gonna show you how to make your own fully functional volcano.
What you're gonna want to do first is polish off a nice bottle of scotch.
Yeah. And get some clay. You're gonna want to then start putting the clay around the bottle to build your volcano. As you can see, we created a perfect replica of Mount St. Helens prior to the eruption. So you're gonna need baking soda and vinegar for this experiment for your volcano. And so we're gonna go ahead and put in some baking soda. Quite a liberal amount, you know.
You want to make sure you have a good eruption.
Yeah.
And now we add the vinegar.
Science is power!
Oh shit! End of experiment.
All